Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Johnny.
Hey, Camden.
How are you? I see you have the Powfish shirt.
Yes.
Wow, it looks good, man. Me too. So, did you get it today?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, did you go to school today?
Yes. I go to school.
I go to school or I w- I went to school.
I go to school.
Johnny, I went to school.
I went to school.
Okay, so one more time. Did you go to school today, Johnny?
I go to school.
I went to school.
I went to school.
Yes. What did you eat at school today?
I eat noodles, soup.
Okay, so you can say I had. I had.
I had noodles, soup.
Okay, so I had noodles and soup for my lunch.
I had soup and the noodles
For my lunch.
for my lunch.
Again, I had soup and noodles for my lunch.
I had noodles and the soup for lunch.
For my lunch.
For my lunch.
Good. Okay, Johnny, so let's go to the next thing. We're going to do a review today.
River.
Review.
Review.
Yeah, review. What animals do you see, Johnny?
I see a seal,
Okay.
tiger, wyvern, skunk,
Okay, what is this one?
wyvern,
Say, vi,
viper.
Yes, good. Viper.
Viper.
So together, viper. Viper.
Viper.
Again.
Viper.
Awesome. Good job.
Skunk.
Okay. That's really good pronunciation. What's this one?
It's seal.
Okay. And this one?
Tiger.
Okay. Which animal is your favorite?
Favorite.
Which animal is your favorite? What animal do you like?
I like tiger.
Oh, you like the tiger?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you like the tiger?
Yes. Tiger is handsome.
Oh, okay. So you can say the tiger looks really cool.
The tiger is very cool.
Yeah, the tiger looks really cool.
The tiger looks very cool.
Yeah, very cool.
Very cool.
Yeah, good, Johnny. The tiger looks very cool.
The tiger
Looks very cool.
looks very good.
Johnny, the tiger looks very cool.
The tiger looks very cool.
Okay, there you go. Good. All right, let's go to the next one. Can you read this one for me? Right here.
The seals on the bus go up, up, up. All around the town.
Yeah, good, Johnny. I think you always do a good job on this one. I think you sound like a seal. Do it again.
The seal on the bus go up, up, up.
Yeah, it sounds just like a seal.
Seal.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Now, do you want seals on the bus?
It's
Yeah, I can hear your mom speaking Chinese.
yes.
I was speaking a little bit. Okay, here. Let's go, Johnny. You ready?
The tiger on the bus go roar, roar, roar.
Yes, again. The tiger on the bus goes roar, roar, roar.
All around the town.
Uh-huh. One more time.
The tiger on the bus go roar, roar, roar. All around the town.
Great job, Johnny. Now, I'm really happy with you today. I really like your pronunciation. You sound very, very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. 不客气. Can you give me a little high five? Nice. Okay, let's keep going. Hey, Johnny, where are you from?
I'm from a Chinese Fuzhou.
Oh, okay, you can say, I'm from Fuzhou.
I'm from Fuzhou.
Yeah, very good. It's a viper, okay?
Okay. The viper on the bus go hiss, hiss, hiss. All around the town.
Right, now make sure you focus right here with me, and it's viper. Viper.
Viper.
Yes, good. The viper on the bus.
The viper on the bus go
On the. Listen. On the. On the. On the. The. On the bus. On the bus.
On the bus.
Yeah, good. Again, on the bus.
On the bus.
Awesome. Very good. The vipers on the bus go.
The vipers on the bus go hiss, hiss, hiss.
Excellent. Excellent.
All around the town.
Great job, Johnny. Let's keep rolling. So, wow, I have a huge breakthrough right now with one of my students. I'm so happy because for about 3 weeks, every time we've had our lesson together, we've been working really hard to improve his pronunciation, on how to correctly use his tongue, his lips, his mouth muscles, even his jaw. So one of the big things a lot of the students will say is they'll say, puppy. But it's actually not puppy, it's puppy.
Puppy.
Yeah, so believe it or not, if all the teachers who are watching this, if you think, so when you have students from China or wherever you do, it's really important that the student is going to intonate each word appropriately, because you don't want your students to learn how to put emphasis on something at the end as opposed to the beginning. So Johnny, you've learned a lot. You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Here's a great teacher moment and a great moment. So read this right here. Johnny, read this.
Can you fix it?
Can you fix it? Fix it?
Can you fix it?
So what Johnny's doing, he's saying, can you fix it? Can you fix it?
Can you fix it?
But we don't actually want to say it like that. So a great way teachers gotta be aware of these intonation things. So it's, can you fix it? Fix it.
Can you
Fix it.
fix it?
Not
Fix
fix
it.
it. No, 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 no. We go down. Fix it. Fix it.
Fix it.
Johnny, fix it.
Fix it.
Fix it.
Fix it.
Can you fix it?
Can you fix it?
So it's not eat. It's can you fix it?
Can you fix it?
Yes. Yes. Again. Can you fix it?
Can you fix it?
Again.
Can you fix it?
Johnny, can you fix it?
Can you fix it?
It.
It.
Can you fix it?
Can you fix it?
Okay, pretty good. Now, Johnny, right here. Yes, I can fix it.
Yes, I can fix it.
Okay.
It takes the big bug.
Yeah, he taps the big bug.
He taps the big bug.
Yes, excellent.
He will mix red and yellow. He will dot it on.
He will dot it on. It on. It on.
It's on.
He will dot it on.
He will dot it on.
Wonderful. Yeah, Johnny, great job tonight, man. Okay, let's roll. Let's keep going. So here, we're going to do a little review. So tonight we learned a few different words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new words.
Kitten, puppy, duckling, cock, lamb.
Wow, Johnny, you have improved so much. Excellent pronunciation. Okay, now it's time to read the sentences, okay, Johnny?
Okay. The vipers on the bus go hiss, hiss, hiss. The skunks on the bus go hiss, hiss, hiss. Here is a baby sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb.
Wonderful job. Wow, hey, Johnny, so, you finished the whole review. So what that means is, this is going to be your reading homework book, okay? Your reading homework book. What is the name?
Sheep in a jeep.
Inna. Say inna.
In a
Sheep in a jeep.
sheep in a jeep.
Yeah, one more time. Sheep in a jeep.
Sheep in a jeep.
Very good. Great job tonight, Johnny.
Yeah.
So I'll see you next time, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good night, Johnny. Have a good night.
Good night.
See you.
See you.
So that class that I just had with Johnny, he's improved so much, and I'm really trying to help all the teachers out there, not just online, but also face-to-face. You've got to become more aware of, this is for the new beginners, even for the advanced. It's even a good reminder for myself. When things kind of get hectic or a bit stressful with teaching, slow down and focus on the basics like pronunciation and intonation, and that way things can go with better of a flow. You want to go down the river. You don't want to go upstream on the river, okay? And another thing I'm really happy about tonight is the rest of my students that I have, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 3 of the 4 I've known for a long time, and it's so nice. All the students I have tonight are so cool. All these boys are fun to be with. Like this one kid's like into Taekwondo, and he starts punching and kicking and stuff, and it just makes you very grateful to have a position like this that you can work remotely and you can make a difference in people's lives every day, and you can get paid good money for it too, and that's the whole thing. So anyway, the world's changing. It's getting better every day.